Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's me Abdul Hannan and hope all of you are doing well. So in today's video we are discussing about the types of the funnel. So the first type is lead generation funnel, the funnel that is used to collect the contact details, emails, phone number, their name, their address, something like that. And you can understand it by an example. You can attend some seminar or the webinar or the physical webinar, and they will send you the link to fill out the details. So when you fill out the detail, they will most probably share you some ebooks, some free PDF, some guided tools. So this is basically the lead generation funnel where they turn the visitor into the leads. So later they will follow up you through SMS, through calls, through email. There are multiple ways to follow up the leads. Okay, so this is about the lead generation funnel. So the next is sales funnel. The funnel is designed to sell product or the services by guiding the visitor step by step toward a purchase. So you can understand it like that. You are offering the services. For example, you are offering the web development services and you have a landing page where you guide the user to, like, you add the CTAs to go to the calendar and book the meeting, and they want the meeting later. So you have multiple opportunity to guide the user to buy the product and buy your services. This is mostly used in the done for you services and multiple services. Okay, so this is mostly used sales funnel type in the digital marketing and most important type. So the next is webinar funnel. The funnel invite the people to the live or the recorded webinar. This funnel is mostly used by the motivational speakers, the educational speakers, and the person who teach you the skill. So they have the funnel page where the leads come, book the webinar, either recorded or the live. This is depend on their course, on their needs, on their demand. Okay, so this is also most important type of the funnel. So the next one is e-commerce funnel. The funnel is used by the online store to move the visitor from the product discovery to the checkout page. It's, you can understand it like that, e-commerce website, for example Daraz, Amazon. This is come into the e-commerce funnel because they guide the user, they send the offers, and then user will purchase their product. Okay, so this will help you to increase your online sale and the repeat purchase. Okay, so that's it for the e-commerce funnel. And the next one is appointment funnel. The funnel help businesses book a call appointment automatically using a calendar or the system, and this is mostly used in the medical operators. Like, you have run the clinic and the peoples come to your site, to your funnel, and book the meeting. Like, someone books the next Monday at 10 p.m. they want the appointment, so you will book the appointment. So next one is the membership funnel. The funnel that is used to sell membership or the subscription with the recurring payment and the exclusive content. Is something like that. You're selling the codes, you're selling the recurring services. So such as Netflix, you have to charge monthly, and that's come into the membership funnel. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.